Ever heard the expression, a first impression matters? Yes, it does. Even in YouTube, first impression matters. When people search YouTube, what they say is what I would term cover pages for the videos, which is known as thumbnails. So whether people click or choose not to click your video is all dependent on your thumbnail. So in this video, we are going to talk about thumbnail to find a way of doing them easy, faster, and free of cost. And free is good. So stay tuned to hear what we have in store for you. Welcome to my channel. I am Vincent and thank you for stopping by. As always, a shout out to all those that have subscribed. And if you're new here, please do consider to subscribe. We want to grow our community. Yes, today we are talking about thumbnails. Without further ado, let's dive into it. Okay, Google is always our best friend here, so we want to go to www.canva.com, which is a graphic design platform. So click that one and we'll be good to go. Yes. Okay, yes. So in the platform, what we want to do is to create a design. So click that one, create a design. And there are a lot of things that you can actually create in this platform. And I'll just scroll for you to be able to appreciate what is there. But for this tutorial, obviously, we want a YouTube thumbnail. And the good part is it comes with the right measurements for YouTube. So we click that one and we'll be taken to this page here. And you'll be able to see the slide on your right and on your left. Those are different templates that comes in this platform. So you have quite a number of different templates. You have music YouTube thumbnails, you have a food YouTube thumbnail that you can just select and edit according to, or customize it according to your liking. And what you need to know with the platform is there are those that are free and there are those that will pay. And if you are tight on budget, free will be good for you. But for this tutorial, I just want to use a blank slide and an image that I have uploaded. So if you need to upload the image, just go to that upload button. You can upload videos, audios, and images. So in this case, I have already uploaded an image that I want to use for this tutorial, and I'll just select it and then we are good to go. Yes, now it's time to edit the image, and there's that black line that I don't want. So if you see something that you don't want, just crop it out and it's easy, just like that. It's gone. And of course you want to yes, you want to enlarge your image to fit the size you're given. You don't want a small thing. So that's what I'm just doing here. I'm enlarging my image. Yes. And yeah. And then you can, of course, edit the image. What I normally use when I'm editing the image is, okay, let me scroll. Yes, I use the contrast, and saturation. Yes, I don't really have a formula for this one. I just like I'll drag it, and if I see that the image is good, I just leave it there. I don't have an yeah, I don't have numbers in mind. What you just want is for the image to like pop, you know what I mean? Yes. So that's pretty much it with editing. And now it's time to add the text. You just click the text button on your left, and as in other platforms. You have those that are free and those that are expensive, that is text. And in this case, I opted for a free one. Yes. And if you have a template that you don't want some of the writings, you just highlight and delete, or highlight and backspace, depending how you do it. Like I'm doing it now, and then you can actually place the letters where you want them to be seen. And yes, you write the heading, obviously. Remember, a thumbnail, your heading does not really have to be what you write in your YouTube description. Thumbnail, it's meant to be catchy. And yes, so in this case, I just written create a thumbnail. And I'm tempted to include a subheading. But before that, I'm just showing you here that you can actually change the font color. You can also change the font size. You see, just by the click of a button. Technology. Yes. So now I want to add a subheading. Yes, you can do that, but there is just this text that I favor, that one there. I'll just click it and I'll edit that one. Just do like you did with the first one, and you click and delete what you don't want. We are not having a baby girl. Yes, I have a baby girl, but not it's not the title for this video in any case. Yes, so there you can actually decrease the font. That's what I'm showing you there. You can highlight and just select the font size that you want. Okay, so that's what I'm doing. And of course, I need to add the heading for the day, and that is free. Using this free, easy, and faster. Yes, that will be my subheading for the video. And of course, you can also like position the words where you want them to appear. Yes, and you can also change the font color and everything. So now you also have the option of adding an element on your thumbnail. Like in this case, I'll just add that YouTube icon. It kind of brings color to the image. Yes, so now you have it there. It's YouTube. You can also resize it like I'm doing there and place it where you want it to be. Yes. And of course, yeah, here I'm just showing you that you can actually search for what you are looking for. You can search for flowers, and you have different flowers there. And you can search for, there's a heart, and you'll have different hearts there. Some are red, some are white. Yes. So, but for this tutorial, a girl wants some flowers. So I'm going for the flower. And as always, you have those that are free and those that you need to pay. But hey, for now, free is good. So I'll opt for the free one, and there you have it. A girl has her flowers. And you just adjust it, put it where you want it to appear. And that's pretty much it. That's pretty much it. I'm just adjusting the YouTube icon because I feel it's not well positioned. Yes, so yeah, that's pretty much it. And you download, and when you're downloading, ensure that it's at PNG. PNG is a high quality one, and you download. And ladies and gentlemen, that is easy, faster, and free. So that there shows you that your image has been downloaded. And now what you want to do is to go to your YouTube studio and load a video. Upload a video, because you can't upload a thumbnail. As far as I know for now, you can't upload a thumbnail without having uploaded a video. So I'm just going to select a random video for me to show you how it's done here. Yes. So I've uploaded a video, and of course you need to give that a title, and in our case we'll say how to create a thumbnail. How to create a thumbnail. Yes. And of course, you know that when you are uploading, you need to describe the content of your video. But in this case, we are not going to do that. We're interested in uploading a thumbnail there. And you just click that. And of course, you go to the file where you have saved your thumbnail. And I have a lot of folders there, and I have located it, and have a lot of thumbnails, and just going to the one that we created. There you go, and ta-da, you have your thumbnail. Ladies and gentlemen, that's pretty much it. So it is easy, and yes, it's easy to do, and it's free. That's what we wanted to do, and there you have it. Found the tutorial beneficial to you, and if you have, please remember to leave a comment in the comment section down below and give the video a thumbs up. And if you have not yet subscribed, please consider to do so. Otherwise, see you in my next video.